Hi, I'm Tanya Breland, and I'm the founder of the Association for Aspiring Female Entrepreneurs. And today, I want to do something that I've done many times before, and that is answer questions that are frequently asked about starting a new business. So today's question is, what should I know about financial management in my new business? Now, financial management, I am not an expert. First, let me say that. But I can tell you a few basic things that you need when you're getting your new business started. The first thing that you need to think about when you're starting your business as it relates to financial management is, first of all, understand that you have to manage your finances. Now, I don't know how you do it in your personal life, but in business, you've got to have an idea of what's coming in, what's going out. You got to know whether or not you're making money, because if you're not making money, then essentially you don't really have a business. So let's talk about some important things that will help you with financial management. First and foremost, separate your personal money from your business money, meaning have a separate account, an account that is exclusively for monies coming in and going out related to your business. No longer do you keep it in a private account. That's a personal account, because you need to be able to track everything that's coming and going as it relates to your new business. Now, many people would say, get started with a budget. So a lot of people in their personal lives create budgets for their households. Some people don't. I don't know what you do, but in business, you should at least have a budget broken down into various categories so that you know what your expenses are either for that month or for the quarter or for the whole year. What are the things that you're going to have to spend money on? What's going to be required of you? So you need to have some kind of tracking system to let you keep record of everything that you have to pay out. Every little thing, even from the tiniest things, like it could be you need to go buy ink pens. Those are supplies for your business, so the category would be under supplies. Or maybe you are using your phone for business purposes, so then you may need to put your phone under your business budget. Think about all the possible things that you would be spending in your new business. Now, it's important for you to keep track and keep record of everything that you spend and even everything that comes in. So many people recommend that you get some kind of online business software to track your expenses and to keep track of, to keep track of your bookkeeping, which is tracking everything that you're spending and everything that you are bringing into your business from selling products or selling services. So I use QuickBooks. There are a number of different services that are out there. Look for the one that works for you. It's also recommended that if accounting is not an area of expertise for you, do like I did, and like many business owners that I know, hire an accountant. There are a lot of accountants out there. You can even talk to other small business owners to find out who they use to help them track their businesses' expenses and their businesses' revenue. So find out who other people are using and then contact them. Interview a few accountants just to see if there's a good fit for you. But the key here is that you need to make sure that all of your records are in order, because you don't want the IRS to come after you and you don't want to go out of business before you have to. Something else that's very important for you is to make sure that you have separate accounts and that everything that comes in and goes out of your business goes through your business banking account. So you may use your own personal money for different things, but in business, you want to make sure that money is going through your business account. That's very important. Even if you are seeding it from your personal to your business, it needs to be in your business account so that you can track everything that comes and goes out of it. It's really important. It's also important to have an idea of what your cash flow is. And this is something that I have struggled with in the past. And that is making sure that what I have to pay out every month is in there and received by the people who are purchasing my services or my products. So we're talking about making sure that, how the money moves in and out of your business. So what happens in a lot of businesses that can make it very difficult to stay open as a business is you may have a certain number of expenses that are due by the 15th of the month, but the people who have purchased your services have not paid you yet on their invoice, meaning you haven't received their money, and you might not get that money until after the 15th. So that means that you don't have what you need to cover your expenses before the 15th of the month. So that's what we're talking about when we're talking about cash flow. Now, there's a whole lot more information that you need to know and understand as it relates to business, knowing how to calculate your profit and loss. And usually that can be done within your software, your online software that you purchase for your business. But there's a lot more to be learned about managing your finances in business, which is why I highly recommend that you surround yourself with the right people or the person who's going to help you with your bookkeeping and your accounting, helping you reconcile your accounts, your checking versus your accounting software, making sure that everything is aligned to one another. All of that takes time and effort. And if you're not an expert in that area, I highly recommend you get an expert to help you in that area. Now, there's more to learn about financial management, but I think that I've given you enough to get started. If this has been helpful to you, please, by all means, reach out to me at Tanya@TanyaBreland.com, or join me at AspiringBizOwner.com, where you can become a member of a growing group of entrepreneurs, female entrepreneurs. Not that I have anything against men, but as women, we are typically further behind men in bringing in business revenue and business growth. And so I want to help women business owners be more successful in their business so that they can help our communities, the local communities, and even be an influence to others who want to start their own businesses. So join me on AspiringBizOwner.com, that's B-I-Z, owner.com, where you can become a part of the Association for Aspiring Female Entrepreneurs. There's $1 to join, and after that, the fee goes up a little bit, but I want everyone to be a part of that and to gain extra information. This is just one piece of information that I give, but I also interview entrepreneurs who are very experienced, who are much further along in their business even than I am, who can give you wisdom that will help you in all aspects of your business. So anyway, I hope that this is helpful to you. I hope that you get in touch with us, and I would love to connect with you at AspiringBizOwner.com.